Welcome everybody to Peace in the Valley. We have a great video today on our channel, and we're going to try something. I have my RK25 here, and I'm not ashamed to admit that I've made some mistakes with it. And one of them happens to be letting the front end loader down or in an up position in storage. You don't want to do that. You always want to keep it down on the ground so you know what it's going to hit. Well, the one time that I left it up in the air, I had it hit right over here when I was storing it, and it cut through the seat. And I don't remember if I posted a video on this before, but I actually tried to fix it. I tried to use the 3M spray glue. A long time ago, in a land far, far away, there was a young man who thought he was very intelligent. And it just so happens that his intelligence was below average. Not realizing it, he did some crazy stuff, only to find out later that it would harm his seat permanently. And he has been forever cursed because of it. The backhoe has been injured permanently. And we're going to do what it takes to try to correct this. And it may be just as bad as it was before, but we're going to try it. No matter what, do not ever let your hydraulics stay up in the air and expect your front end loader to not fall down on said seat. Let us begin. Expected it to stick. Actually, I was expecting a little better than that. Maybe I should have wiped it down with alcohol instead. Okay, we can try it later. After 5 minutes, the vinyl's already pulled up. So we gotta do something better than that. Didn't work. And I'm gonna try something this time. Jarrison told me, he assured me 90% sure that it would work. So I probably should just buy a seat, but if there is some kind of a solution, I want to know what that solution is. So he said use Great Stuff, the low expanding version of Great Stuff. And he said it should work. And his logic is that whenever you use Great Stuff and it gets on your clothes or anything, it never comes off. You can wash your clothes 100 times and you can still see it is still in my pants. Because whenever you use Great Stuff, it's inevitable that you always get it on your clothes, no matter how careful you are. It always happens. Never had a time where I don't think it has happened. So we're going to try that today. Okay, we got this off. Ah. Screw this on. Should have wore gloves. Okay. Okay, that's sticking in real good.
Is it actually going to do it?
I don't know. Angel asked if it's really going to do it. I don't know. We want to inside all of that. Let's squish it up again. Okay, now that's good. Now we're going to take some duct tape to hold it in place.
I trimmed up all the baby seasons so that way you don't have to mow over them.
I don't have to mow over them now? Was I going to mow over them?
You do every time.
I do every time? Okay. I can go around them? Yeah. Okay.
You're welcome.
Yeah, thanks for whatever, to help me not get in trouble. I always get accused of mowing over stuff. The real solution would be somebody else mowing, I guess. Okay. Okay, anybody want to make bets on whether this will work or not? We're going to come back in a little while and see what happens. Yesterday, you can see the tractor looks much cleaner. Yesterday, we helped my dad, after the parade that we had in town, dig a trench. And I really didn't get much on video because we ran into some issues and changed how we were doing it, but the tractor was just covered in mud, the backhoe. It's amazing how clay, wet clay, sticks to the buckets. And it took probably an hour to get the mud out of here, almost to the point where it needed chiseled out. The clay, the wet clay, just acts like a suction cup. Anyhow, it's been about 15 minutes and we are going to pull off the tape and see if our seat is now glued. I don't know if you want to tell me what you bet on, but some of the tape stuck. I think Jarrison might have been right. Look at that. It's not trying to pull away at all. So I guess great stuff can be considered a foam repair for seats. Maybe we can peel off. Well, he said it stuck to close, and he said it's some kind of a poly glue, resin or something. Only about 15 minutes. We'll have to watch and see how this holds up. But I think Jarrison was right. We'll have to watch and see how this holds up, but I think that was a success. Now maybe I can put a vinyl over this. I'm not sure what I'll do, or if I'll do anything. It might be fine the way it is. So that's a good way to repair a foam seat that has been cut or broken apart by using great stuff. Minimal expanding great stuff. Look at that. FaceTime Jarrison Steiner. I think my rag is probably useless now, since it kind of glued together. Hey, how are you? Let me show you. Can you see that?
Oh yeah. How'd it go?
Look. Seems like
Stuck?
it seems like it.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Yeah. I probably won't be able to stick on the vinyl. I don't know. But yeah, it seems to have stuck. I'm pushing down on it. It's not trying to separate.
Yeah, I thought that polyurethane would do it.
Polyurethane. Yeah, yeah. Well, anyway, I wanted to show you.
Yeah, it looks pretty good. Hopefully it holds.
Yeah, hopefully it holds. Okay, we'll see you. Take care.
Okay,
Thanks for the suggestion. He said polyurethane, I think he's what he said. Anyhow, it worked real well. So if you got a seat that's been cut off because of stupidity, this might help fix your stupidity. I doubt that. Take care. Have a great day. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe.